Hi, my name's Richard from AkzoNobel's Awgirip brand. We've prepared this short presentation to show you how a better finish can be achieved using different systems and support tools that Awgirip offers. I'd also want to take this opportunity to also tell you about some key items which I hope you will find interesting and useful when you do your next Awgirip job. For over 45 years, the Awgirip brand name has been universally trusted and recognised in the yachting world. This reputation has been built upon outstanding quality, our unbeatable finish, and our continuous innovation. For boaters and professional customers everywhere who demand consistently outstanding quality, global technical service, and a full product range, Awgirip has the complete solution. Awgirip offers added value through our advanced technical training programs available by request at our customer's location or at an Awgirip Yacht Paint Application Centre, commonly referred to as YPACs. Likewise, applicators can benefit from local sales and technical support, helplines, product warranty, and a custom colour request made by our internal Allmix centres. Awgirip is a partner that supports customers from distributors to builders, applicators and boat owners. We're proud to help support our industry and be a leader in its innovation. What makes Awgirip Systems unique in yacht coatings? For decades, we've focused our resources on technology and investment in our research and development programs to create efficient and leading topcoat systems. Scientific expertise really is the heart of our business, and this in turn has enabled us to research and develop trusted technologies and product ranges, such as a chromate-free etch primer, all fair fairing compounds including our new spray filler, 545 epoxy primer, and VOC compliant top coats like Awgrip HDT. Due to our specialist know-how, we've been able to develop efficient and effective use of key components used in our systems, from anti-corrosive technology used in our Awgrip primers to the latest colour technology used in AllMatch, our solid colour measuring and searching tool that's incredibly easy to use. These and other technologies have allowed Awgrip Systems to not only be innovative in process time reduction, but also adaptable for the application preference of the applicator. Awgrip Systems are available throughout the world through Awgrip distribution. We develop our products and systems for our customers to achieve that head-turning finish that Awgrip is known for. To do so, each product within our system plays a specific role. On the left-hand side, we show a full Awgrip system, and on the right-hand side, we show some options where you can interchange products within the Awgrip range to best suit your end user or application needs. A head-turning Awgrip finish cannot be achieved if each product's surface is not properly prepared prior to its application. Underpinning a successful application and subsequent performance of any Awgrip system is within the surface preparation. We use different primers with our systems to gain a good adhesion with the substrate, to protect the substrate from corrosion, and to give a strong foundation, such as MaxCore CF, that can be used on large new build aluminium or steel construction yachts, or for small aluminium production boats, Wash Primer, CF and Quick Build are a good option. A holding primer like HoldGuard Extra provides a stable base for subsequent fairing with All-Fair. Our fillers, such as All-Fair, are used to produce the right shape for the hull or superstructure and to provide a smooth surface for the application of the remainder of the system. Fillers can be used in virtually any area of the yacht where shaping is required. High build primer, like Ultra Build or High Build, are applied over the surface of the All-Fair to fill in any imperfections, such as sand scratch. Then a sealing primer or undercoat would be applied, such as 545, prior to your final top coats. Lastly, our variety of Awgrip finishes provide exceptional gloss, colour and protection against UV radiation, abrasion and chemicals. Each part of an Awgrip system has an important part to play, either in providing a smooth surface, repairing imperfections, providing protection, and giving you that finish that turns heads. An Awgrip system exists for any of your application procedures, whether it's size of yacht, drying times, VOC restrictions, and so on. For example, a super yacht topside paint system will likely consist of several layers. As mentioned before, each layer has a specific role to play as part of the Awgrip system. From surface primer to filler to top coat, applying any part of an Awgrip system requires following the specific product's preparation and application instructions that are found on the product's label or our technical data sheets. Do not incorporate any thinners, additives, modifiers, converters, primers, or related products that are not specifically recommended by Awgrip into an Awgrip scheme. Such substitutions can jeopardize the unique characteristics of the Awgrip system, resulting in poor aesthetics and/or premature failure of the system. Awgrip coatings are designed specifically for pleasure craft industry and provide chemically cured finishes that are resistant to abrasion, chalking and corrosion, and even chemical attack. Only a complete Awgrip coating will provide these characteristics. Please contact Awgrip so we can help you through your project with tips on preparation, application and maintenance. Awgrip's global technical support and technical training programs are available for new and existing customers of all levels of experience, from applicators to distributors and project managers, providing an overview of all products and tailored to help find the best products for each customer's operation. These training courses can be held on site at the customers or at one of Awgrip's YPACs, Yacht Paint Application Centres, strategically located around the world. Each YPAC facility is home to the latest application equipment and specially designed areas for education and practical training, with breakout areas, classroom and large spray facilities. On-site or YPAC training cover a variety of topics such as health and safety, preparation, spray gun maintenance, and can be tailored to your particular need. For on-site YPAC training opportunities, contact your local Awgrip representative. Promoting and sharing Awgrip products and system best practices and success is a top priority. We support you with various support items like the Awgrip System Guide, the Application Guide, Applicator Wall Charts, and Colour Cards. We promote Awgrip through a myriad of media, from trade shows to promoting applicator jobs on our website and social media, so you can keep up with Awgrip. We continue to be very much at the heart of the boating community. We've even more information on our website to support your learning efforts. Our website has a VOC calculator to ensure that the right amount of product is used to be compliant, along with the technical data and safety data sheets. There is easy zip or postcode searches for you to find our local Awgrip distributor. We have live technical support 5 days a week to answer your questions. Some testimonials. Awgrip has been used and trusted around the world by owners, captains, boaters and boatyard professionals for decades. We are so renowned within yachting that our brand name is a verb. A yacht has been Awgripped, from Tony Hatfield of Diamond Painting to Russell Potter. Awgrip is pleased to partner with you. Finally, we thank you for your time and interest in Awgrip, and if you would like more information, please reach out to your Awgrip distributor, local Awgrip sales representative, or at awgrip.com. Thank you.